So students, in this video, we will be studying about National Securities Depository Limited, that is called NSDL. So introduction. National Security Depository Limited is an Indian central securities. Okay, it is an Indian central securities based in Mumbai. Means it is situated in Mumbai. So it was established in August 1996. This NSDL is the first electronic security depository in India with national coverage. Okay, this NSDL was the first electronic securities depository in India. So what it does, it deals with the settlement of securities, and it is also work as a mediator. It works as a mediator as well as it is a loyal supporter between the brokers and investors in the securities. This was the introduction. Next, functions of NSDL. The first function is it maintains investors holding in electronic forms. So in earlier what used to happen, the securities where shares used to hold in physical forms. This NSDL, what happens, it maintains investor shares into electronic forms. Next, it makes allotment in electronic forms. Means the allotment of the shares are also done in electronic forms, as well as it facilitates it facilitates uh, offer of securities at a mortgage for loan. It also offers securities for a mortgage of loans. So mortgage of loans means it is for loan which is done with the properties or with the real estates, as well as it offers facility for freezing or locking of investors account through electronic. Okay, it is also offers facility for freezing the accounts as well as locking the accounts of investors. Next comes objectives of NSDL. So the main uh, first and most important objective of NSDL is to eliminate the bulky papers, means to remove the papers and to discriminate the physical delivers and to provide them into electronic facilities to securities. Means earlier what is happens, the share used to hold in the paperwork. To reduce that paperwork shares and to convert them into the electronic form. This is the main object. Okay, there are the some objectives are given below. The first objective is to reduce the time. Means it helps to reduce the time of the investors while transferring of the securities. It take a less time. Means it reduce the times of the investors for the transfer of securities. It also avoid the risks. Means it avoids a certain problems of settlement of securities. It also provide the securities in liquidity forms as well as to provide better efficiency, as well as it reduce the times of transactions for the investors. Means it reduce the timing. Nowadays to convert into the electronic forms, it will take shorter period of timings. From that it reduce the cost, time also, as well as the cost of the investors. Next come there are various benefits of National Security Depository Limited. So we'll study one by one. So the first benefits for the investor is elimination of bad delivers. Here what happens in the in this depository environment, once the holding of an investors are dematerialized into electronic forms, may the question of bad delivery does not arise. Means once the holding of investors are dematerialized the account, means the bad delivery does not arise. That means they cannot be held under any objections. What used to happen in the physical environment, buyers was required to take a lot of risks of transferring and face the uncertainty of the quality of assets purchased. Nowadays, in this depository environment, good money certainly good quality of assets means here what happens, it eliminates the bad deliveries. Next comes elimination of all risk associated with physical certificates means it reduce all the problems which we are used to associate with physical certificates means what happened dealing in the physical securities have associate various security of risk of theft or risk of loss of certificates during movement through from the various registers, thus exposing the investors to the cost of obtaining duplicate certificates and advertisement etc. These problems does not arise in this uh, depository environment means what used to happen earlier, there is to lot theft of risks, theft of stocks used to happen, loss of certificates during that physical certificates. Now this through this electronic forms, this does not arise in this uh, electronic shares. Next comes no stamp duty. Here, no stamp duty means duty for transfer of any kind of securities in the depository. This laws extend to equity shares like debt instruments and units of mutual funds. Funds. Earlier what happened? Suppose there is a share certificate means at last there is to be a stamp duty. Nowadays there is no need of stamp duty because all the shares are in the electronic forms. Next comes immediate transfer and registration of securities means immediate transfer used to happen of securities as well as the registration of securities will happen within shorter period of time. In the depository environment, once the securities are credited to investor's account on payout, he becomes the legal owner of that securities, and there is no further need to send to the company registered for various registrations having purchased the securities in physical environment. The investor here what happens, the investor has to send it to the company's register so that the change of ownership can be registered. Usually this process usually takes 3 months or 4 months, and rarely is completed within the 2 months. 2 months, thus the investor exposing to the opportunity cost of delay, transfer of risks and loss in the transit means to overcome this, the normally accepted practices is hold to the securities in like street names, not to register the change of ownership. However, if the investor miss a book closure means the securities are not good for the delivery, and the investor would also have to stand to lose his corporate uh, entitlements. Next comes faster settlement cycle. Here what happens? Exclusively demat segments follow like rolling settlement cycle, like means like T plus 2 means the exclusive demat segments follow rolling settlements cycle, that is T plus 2, that is means the settlement of trade will be on the second working day from the trade day means this will enable faster turnover of stock and more liquidity with the investors. Next comes faster disbursement of non-cash corporate benefits like rights, bonus, etc. Here what happens? National Securities Depository Limited provides for direct credit of non-cash corporate entitlements to an investor's account which thereby they ensure faster disbursement and also avoid risk of their loss of certificate in the transit transit. Next come uh, reduction in brokerage, means by many brokers for trading in dematerialized securities. Here what happens, broker provides these benefits to investors because dealing in dematerialized securities reduce their back office cost, means reduce their back office back means reduce their back office cost or like of handling paper, and also eliminates the risk of being introducing to the broker. Next comes reduction in handling of huge volumes of paper, means it reduce the handling of huge volume of paper, means once the securities are dematerialized in electronic forms, the paper work will be removed, and a reduction of volume of paper will be minimized. Next comes periodic status periodic status report. Here periodic status report means it will help to the investors on their holding and transactions to leading for their better control, means there will be periodic statements to the investor in which their holdings and transactions will help into their better control. Next comes elimination of problems, means elimination of problems will be related to the change of their address of an investors like transmission etc. Suppose in case of change of address or trans means of demat shares, here what happens, investors are saved from undergoing to the entire change procedure with each company or as well as registers. Here what happens, investor have to only inform their depository participants with all relevant relevant like documents and the required change are affected in the database of all companies where the investors is a registered holder of securities. Next comes elimination of problems related to selling securities behalf of minor. It means like a natural guardian is not required to take court approval for selling demat securities on behalf of minor, means there is a natural guardian is not required to take court approval for selling their demat securities on behalf of their minors.